Sneezing cars? Yeah, it's a thing, and it's wild. Let's talk NOS, the TikTok trend your engine actually needs. Nitrous oxide isn't magic, it's a power hack. Hit that button and it blasts extra oxygen into your engine, like caffeine for pistons. More air means more boom, more zoom. But fair warning, it's an adrenaline shot, not a cure. It lasts 10 to 15 seconds, and if you overdo it, bye-bye engine. You'll need upgrades, tougher pistons, bigger fuel injectors, and that sneeze sound? It's the purge valve clearing excess gas. A mechanical sneeze. Not just for drama, it stops your engine from choking on bad fumes. The verdict? Nitrous is fun, but like TikTok fame, it doesn't last forever. Use it smart, or you'll end up trending for all the wrong reasons.